What's up, Reefers? Welcome to Alex Pro Corals. This is my video log where you can learn from my mistakes. Alright, so here's a 20-gallon quarantine, and yes, that's right. I just added a whole bunch of this PhytoPlan by Two Little Fishies. Julian Sprun's product here. Trying it out, and the clams are already closed up a little bit. That means they're really feeding it, really getting, you can really see the water is still cloudy from the phytoplankton plan, and it has it says several varieties, so I'm guessing at least 2, maybe 3 different types of phytoplankton. And what's weird about it, well, it's definitely kind of a dark looking powder, and when you add it, it has like some bigger pieces that are really like huge pieces of phytoplankton. I don't know if they're like clumped together or what, but you can really see it floating around all in the water, absolutely everywhere. Clams opening up and closing, and that's a good sign they are actually eating. And interestingly enough, it's a whole bunch right here pegging and sticking on to my gorgonian, so it's definitely apparently sticking in is going to be eating this stuff. We'll have to see. Big old white pieces. I mean, that must be just a huge chunk of phytoplankton. No, I mean, it's just like chunked together, but I guess that's okay for a lot of these guys. So we'll just have to see. But in addition to the phytoplankton, it's not just that. I also put in the Benepets and the Reefing mix, but definitely did not get that cloudiness when adding just the Benepet Reefing mix. So therefore, it's definitely with the PhytoPlan there, with the phytoplankton, a lot more cloudiness to the water, which is a good thing, I'm thinking. So really gonna get these guys hopefully feeding. Have to see. Just on the, let's go through testing. Nitrate's like 26. Phosphate is at it's like at 0.3 parts per million on the phosphate. It's gone up a little bit, and but down from, I had dosed it all the way up to 1. So I had 1 parts per million, so it's coming back down. Alkalinity on this one is at 12 DKH. What? 12? That's right, it's at 12, and that's right. Nitrates are at 26, phosphates are 0.3, and don't have algae growing. Well, give it a couple months, have algae blooms, have to see what's going on. See other clams opening and closing. Maxima, that's good sign. But no clam poop yet, but we'll have to see. But looking better so far. And also calibrated the pH probes, so pH is at 8.3 right now, right on, and added a little bit of the balance. I'm just gonna go ahead and add a little bit of the balance. It increases the pH, and until I run out of it, pretty much. I ordered some more, but then once that runs out, kind of thinking about just not using it, because it's just so dangerous to be adjusting the pH like that. If the probe just gets off, you think it's one thing, and you think it's showing that it's actually lower than it is, so you can end up overdosing, increasing the pH, and you think you're right at 8.3, but you're at 8.7 or 8.9 or whatever, and everything will be dead after a while. So yep, that's it. Let's go check out the main display over here. This is where I also did the same thing. Just added the exact same food mix to it, and the water's nice and cloudy. God, I love it. Same thing. See the bits moving around. Also turned off the protein skimmers for at least 20 minutes as recommended. And let's see. Can't see anybody's actually eating this stuff yet, but there it is. There's a shot of it. Let's get this side of it before we check out the clams over there. So yeah, nice and cloudy and dirty. The water, good sign there. But here we got the clams right here. We've got the crocea to the left, blue crocea, other crocea in the middle, and the squamosa to the right. Yeah, well, so far, so these guys haven't been opening up and closing up like the Durasa and the Maxima, but here they are. So we'll probably do it after a while. No clam poop yet. Yeah, yep, we got the varieties right here. See if we can see any of these phytoplankton sticking to these. Sticking to the varieties there, maybe. Alright guys, well I guess that's it on that one, but check back. Oh wait, might as well come over here and see what it is I'm actually adding. That's right, I added this. Check it out. Oh, there it is, right there. PhytoPlan by Two Little Fishies. And so it has this, you know, you add it, recommends that you add it daily. And yeah, daily. And so it's so yeah, it's 1/8 to 1/4 of a teaspoon per 30 gallons daily. So yeah, I went ahead and added the 1/4 of a teaspoon per 30 gallons. So yeah, that's the recommended dosage on that one. I'll let you guys know how it goes on this one. Alright guys, come back, see what's doing good and what's all dead. That's right, dead. Alright, happy reefing. Bye.